Hi everyone. Hopefully you have a chance to look at Module 3. Module 3 is of course a continuation of Module 2. We're still working on your short stories. So if you think about we've got 3 short stories, sort of a collection that you'll be turning in. The 2 that you'll turn in then complete that collection. So we've got two short stories, a character short story and an energy short story that you will complete for this module. We are also starting two types of assignments that you will see again in the next couple of modules, one for poetry and one for drama, and that is a workshop discussion board and a review blog. So the workshop discussion board works kind of like a peer edit session that you would do in class. And we call it a workshop in creative writing because the idea is that you would all get together and everyone would read everyone's short story and then comment on it. Now, you're not asked to really leave comments for everyone, although you can if you want to, but you are asked to leave comments for two of your peers. So in that way, it kind of works like a peer edit or a peer response that you would do in a composition class. It's really, really important for this discussion board to get your work posted early because if you don't, you might not get any comments back. It's also important as the reviewer of other people's work to go and when you log into to the discussion board, look for someone who doesn't have any feedback yet and provide feedback for them. That way everyone gets a chance to have some critique of their work. I will also be looking on there and might post just a short little comment or feedback for you just to see if you're on the right track. So be looking for that as well. So you want to make sure that you check back to the discussion board toward the end of the module so that you can see your feedback. You want to use this feedback to make changes to your short story and improve on it. So it should not be the same draft that you turn into the discussion board and to the final draft. I expect to see some improvement. The other assignment that you'll do in this module that you'll see again is the review blog. So this review blog asks you to look at someone else's like professional level short story, poetry, or drama later on, and then write a review of it. So this gives you a chance to see what is out there, what other people have written, what's been published, and see some of the techniques that are out there. So that's one of the requirements for the class is to look outside of the classroom at professional work, and that is fulfilling that requirement for us. So we're finishing short stories with this module, and then the next module we'll start on poetry. So you'll be looking forward to that. Keep working on those short stories. If you have questions about your story, if you need me to read one over to check on it, feel free to email it to me. I should get your first short story for the point of view graded. It'll be graded at least before the end of Module 3, but hopefully a little bit earlier so you can use my feedback to help you out. So like I said, if you have any questions at all, please send me an email. Otherwise, I hope you have a great weekend.